Good day, everyone. We are here in the King City of the South, the crown jewel of Mindanao, Davao City. Kamusta po mga kaibigan? This is Jong, your Pinoy Risk Man. This is where we talk about risk, resilience, and responsible leadership all through a Filipino lens. Today, we're diving into a very important topic that's often overlooked. Top 5 operational risk businesses ignore but should not. Maliit man o malaki ang negosyo mo, ignoring this risk could cost you your time, your money, and even your reputation. Ready? Tara, simulan na natin. First on the list is lack of business continuity planning. Ito ang madalas nating binabaliwala. What happens if your store floods? Or if there's a brownout that lasts for several days? Walang backup? Walang plan B? A proper business continuity plan means you can keep operating kahit may disruption. Hindi pwedeng bahala na si Batman. Document your critical process, identify backups, and test your plans regularly. Because when disaster strikes, prepared businesses not only survives but thrives while others scramble. Second is over-reliance on manual processes. Okay na yan, naka-spreadsheet naman eh. Familiar ba? Manual systems are slow, prone to error, and cannot be scaled. Isang maling code lang and boom, inventory loss, payroll errors, or worse, compliance issues. Start exploring simple automation tools, kahit free versions ng, for example, Excel macros, POS systems, or inventory trackers. Digital transformation is not a luxury. It's a risk control strategy. Third is poor cyber hygiene. Wala naman kaming sensitive data eh. Maliit lang kami. Sadly, that's exactly why small businesses are targeted because they don't invest in cybersecurity. Simple lang. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and most importantly, train your staff to avoid phishing and other modus operandi. If you're collecting client data, kahit birthday lang yan, you are responsible for protecting it. Don't wait for a cyber breach to learn the hard way. Fourth, no vendor assessment. No? Kung may supplier kang palaging late or isang contractor lang ang nakakaalam o marunong ng proseso mo, that's a big risk. What happens kung nawalan sila ng supply or mag-fold up sila at malugi? Do you have backups? Do you have SLAs? Do you have vetting procedures? You should always evaluate your partners, their financial stability, their compliance, and even their attitude. One weak link can break your entire chain. Fifth, neglecting workplace health and safety. Wala naman kaming aksidenteng nangyayari dito for the longest time eh. Yan ang common na sinasabi. And that's the problem. We wait for something to happen bago maglagay ng fire extinguisher or mag-train ng OSH. Occupational safety and health is not just for factories. Restaurants, call centers, and offices need safety protocols too. Train your staff, maintain your equipment, conduct drills. Safe employees are productive employees. They will contribute to the success of your business. So ayan mga kababayan, top 5 operational risks na matagal at madalas nang hindi pinapansin pero kailangan nating gawa ng paraan. Walang BCP? Ayusin na. Manual overload? I-automate mo na yan. Weak cyber hygiene? Palitan mo na yung mga passwords. Walang vendor vetting? Gawa na tayo ng checklist and implement it. No OSH culture? Simulan mo na today. Now, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Pinoy Risk Man. Together, let's build a risk-resilient Philippines one business at a time. Stay safe, stay smart, and most of all, stay risk-aware. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode. Have a blessed day ahead.